guys, so in today's video I'll be preparing a deep conditioner, okay, a hair growth deep conditioner. This deep conditioner will help your hair to stay moisturized and it will also cleanse your scalp, okay. So what I have here is Aritha. This is Aritha powder, okay. Then the next one here is Shikakai powder, okay. Then what I have in here is my Amla powder. Then I have Greek yogurt here with extra virgin olive oil. So let's get right into the process. So guys, for Amla powder, it contains high amount of antioxidants which helps to repair damaged cells and damaged hair. It is high in vitamin C and it also helps to prevent hair loss and baldness. So I'll be using a scoop of this. This is okay. Aritha is high in sulfur, which is beneficial for our hair, okay, and it is good in cleansing the scalp by removing all the microorganisms that cause infection. So it is good. So as you can see here, it's written herbal shampoo, okay. It's good in cleansing the scalp, okay. So I'll be using also a scoop of this. This is okay. So Shikakai has rich amounts of vitamin C, which is also good for our hair. It helps to balance the pH level of the hair and the scalp, okay, and it is effective in conditioning and strengthening the hair, okay. So I will also use a scoop of this. Oh my gosh, looks way too much. I just want it to be okay. Yeah. So the next thing I have to add now is my olive oil, which is good in penetrating the scalp, moisturizing the hair, and it's also good in fighting against dandruff. I'll use a spoon of this. Maybe I should add a little bit because I want it to be way here. So this is it. I have to mix them together. So Amla powder, Aritha and Shikakai complement each other so much. So it is a good mix if you want to have a healthy hair growth because they help to fight against split ends, dandruff, premature graying of the hair. So it is good if you want to have a healthy hair growth. So for the Greek yogurt, it is high in protein, which is good to promote hair growth, healthy hair growth, and it also contains lactic acid, which helps to cleanse the scalp, okay. So I will also add it here. So I'll now mix everything together. So guys, I'm done mixing the whole ingredients together. So this is the outcome of it, as you can see. So I'll just allow it to sit for 30 minutes so that the whole herbs and the oil and the yogurt will just infuse together, okay, so that everything will just mix together before I can now apply it on my hair, okay. So guys, you guys finish washing my hair right now, okay. Just finish washing the hair, so I will now apply the deep conditioner. So I'll show you guys how to apply it, okay. will also allow you to touch your scalp, because the Shikakai and Aritha is very good for your scalp, okay? And even the yogurt, so apply it to your scalp. As you can see, I'm not just rubbing it, I'm also massaging it into my scalp. I'm trying to massage it, as you can see, for it to get to my scalp and hair. Also apply to your ends. I'm done applying the deep conditioner, so this is how it looks like. You can see. So now go ahead and cover it with my shower cap. Yeah, I'll leave it for 1 hour before washing it out. Okay, so see you guys, I just washed the conditioner out of my hair, so this is the actual look of my hair right now. As you can see, the hair is well detangled and it's soft. Okay, so it's really nice. I like it. Okay, so yeah, that's all. So in my next video I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize and style it. Okay, so until next time, don't forget to be productive, stay sassy and peaceful. I love you all. Bye.